Time it started.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, students, actually the instructions that I wanted to give is, it was decided in the meeting that no need for two mobiles. If you have, then it is very good. I will share the Google Meet link. If you have two phone, then you have to join, or laptop and phone, then you have to join the Google Meet, and I may ask anyone to put on the video at any time, and just for cross checking. That too, I don't think so for ENTC there is a need to cross check. But if you have two commodities, then you can join the Google Meet as well as answer the exam. It's not compulsory. Is it okay? That's the first thing that I wanted to tell. समझ में आया ना सबको कि कैमरा ऑन करके
Yeah,
वगैरह
ma'am.
जो था वो
हाँ मैम।
कुछ
Yes,
बच्चों के
ma'am.
पास
Yes, ma'am.
फैसिलिटी एक की भी नहीं है, इस वजह से इट इज बीन डिसाइडेड दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक कंपल्सरी टू पुट ऑन द वीडियो एंड मेक make two phone available. Okay, so that is one thing. Secondly, the paper which will be there, you'll have to give the paper between 11 to 12. At 12 you have to stop writing, and 12 से 12:20 तक आपको गूगल क्लासरूम पे अपलोड करना है आपका पेपर, and you have to hand in private only. अगर आपने मेन स्ट्रीम पे अपलोड किया, that paper won't be considered. I'll be clear once again. Please upload your paper under the tag in same examination paper in private only. Don't put it on the Google Stream. Is it okay? 20 minutes are given. That will be more than sufficient. And if your paper is completed earlier, you can upload it earlier also. Not a problem at all. But you have to upload it before 12:20 only. After that, if you upload, it won't be accepted. Whatever are your queries, you should be getting it clear before 12:20 only with your respective teachers. ठीक है? Third thing जो है, I have shared one PDF with your CR Atharva, and he has done, I think so, he has uploaded in the your unofficial group also. In
Yes ma'am.
case of
Yes.
Fourier series, yeah, in case of Fourier series, if it is even odd question, you have to write in the beginning that why it is even or odd. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x, इस वजह से odd है, और f of minus x is equal to plus f of x, that is even function, and hence the Fourier series expansion, these coefficients will be 0. That means you are analyzing the function and then you are actually applying the formula. ठीक है, ये even odd के लिए हुआ. वैसे ही हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज, हाफ रेंज साइन सीरीज के लिए, अगर कोसाइन सीरीज दिया है और रेंज हाफ है, 0 to L है या फिर 0 to 2 फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो अगर उसको मैंने फुल रेंज में कन्वर्ट किया, इट इज -2 to 2, so that if it is half range cosine series, it will be extended as even function. This you have to mention. अगर half range sine series पूछा है, then the function will be extended as odd in the full range. This note you have to mention. That means again you are analyzing the function and you're telling that half range cosine, why it is coming, because as a full range it will be extended as even, or it will be extended as odd. If possible, draw the graph. For example, your function f of x is equal to x, तो odd के लिए 0 to pi में वो it is an line which is going from 0 and going up till pi, x is equal to pi, y is equal to pi. अगर वो ऑड करके एक्सटेंड करना है साइन, हाफ रेंज साइन के लिए, तो वैसे ही वो नीचे आएगी. अगर इवन करके है तो वी शेप हो जाएगी. वैसे ही अगर एक्स स्क्वायर फंक्शन है तो एक्स स्क्वायर विल बी अ पैराबोला इफ इट इज इवन फंक्शन, एंड इट विल बी अ कप, हाफ कप ऑन राइट हैंड साइड एंड हाफ कप बिलो ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. जैसे फंक्शन हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था हाफ रेंज कोसाइन के लिए या फिर हाफ रेंज साइन. ड्रॉ करना आ रहा है तो ड्रॉ करो, गलत ड्रॉ मत करो अगर नहीं आ रहा तो. लेकिन पॉइंट तो रिमार्क में लिखो दैट फॉर एन हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज वी विल एक्सटेंड इट एज इवन फंक्शन in the full range, and for half range sine series we'll extend it as odd function. This will have 1 mark. कल के एग्जाम में, यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में भी इसके लिए 1 मार्क होता है एसपीपीयू के लिए. So you mention that remark. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is there any other query that you want to ask regarding the instructions for exam?
Ma'am, we have to write
Ma'am,
an
there is
assignment
one
sheet,
thing
right?
actually.
Yeah, one at Yashika, you tell, then the other student.
Yeah. So we have to write it on assignment sheet only, right?
Yes, yes, you have to write it on assignment sheet.
Okay.
Sir has, in the instruction, sir has mentioned how the format will be there in the beginning. Your name, your roll number, division, subject, in same examination, everything you have to mention. That sir has written in the instruction. That part will come in the beginning. Then you have to write down the question numbers properly. Question 1A, start the solution. If it is taking only half of the page, continue. If it is taking almost 3/4 of the page, then write on the next page. Use both sides of the paper.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Arya.
Yeah, ma'am. वो SME का still it's not been cleared, I guess.
Oh God. Okay, I could not contact
We
him
don't have
yesterday,
a
Saturday.
class.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
yeah.
don't have a
No,
classroom
actually,
over there.
I think so. They are going to do it on one classroom only of this of A, B, C, D. Let me ask, sir. I'm not sure. I could not contact him on Saturday. His phone was not working. So I will ask the other teacher and communicate to you on the Google Class on your WhatsApp group. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Anything else? Okay, and mention the questions. Question 1A, 1B, 1C. Please do that because that generally
And
students they
we don't
forget.
have to write the questions, right?
You don't have to write down the questions. Just write question number 1A solution. Question number 2A solution. 1A, 1B, 1C. Again, I'll repeat. You have to entirely answer question 1 or question 2. Half questions from question 1 and half questions from question 2 won't give you marks. दोनों में से कोई एक में भी एक ही में मार्क मिलेंगे and then you won't get 15 on 15. Question 1A, B or question 2C किया तो you'll get either 10 marks or 5 marks. Not 15 marks. Is that okay? Entirely question 1 you have to answer or entirely question 2. Entirely question 3, yeah, entirely question 4. Not half of the question. Then obviously you'll lose marks and you won't get out of marks. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay,
question paper we are going to get in the form of PDF, right?
Yes, yes, yes. We'll share the
Okay.
PDF on your Google Classroom, and then you'll have to, if you are able to download and then write and join the Google Meet, that is absolutely fine. But again, taking printout won't be possible, or writing the questions all of them and then starting the paper, that is also not possible. That's why it's not made compulsory to have two phones. You can keep the phone on while writing that paper and simultaneously write the paper. That's why if it is not possible for you all to adjust two mobiles, it's okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, done. And Prashant, stop the recording.
Yes.